Hi everybody, Flex Harvey here. People been asking to get a lot of FaceTime from me, you know, not just looking at the bike and stuff. No, nobody asked shit. I got 42 subscribers. Anyway, so today we put on new handlebars and we put new LED blue lights. I was going to save it as a surprise, but I ruined it. And here's the new, I got these at Polo Velo, a bicycle shop. And JSB at work, he told me to get these bad boys. They're extremely comfortable, hey babes?
Big time.
Very grippy, super cool. And I always wanted to say too, before I show the lights, that I changed my front sprocket to a 15. It looks like you're not looking at me. It looks like you're pointed there.
Oh, he's coming around. Cut.
So I changed it to a 15 tooth instead of the stock 13 tooth.
It stopped.
It just stopped?
Yeah.
Okay. It's on the power saving mode.
Okay.
Like, let's say you went like this. It should be back, yeah. Okay. So
we're back.
We're back. Like I said, I've changed it from a 13 to a 15. It totally changed the entire bike. Anybody who has a Warrior 350 or Raptor 350 should definitely try that mod. Name my top speed, I don't know yet, but it used to be 110, 116. I'm sure it's 125. Like, it's really different. Like, I used to go through the woods second gear, maybe even touch third gear. Now I'm just first gear, like through the real dense woods, you know. So it's incredible. Here we go. That's the lights. Isn't she beautiful? And obviously a 2005 with 3 oil changes since 2005.